Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students. How are you? I am fine. I also hope that you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to online class brought to you by St. Xavier School, Khulna. I am Mohammad Zakaria Khan, has been working as an assistant teacher of English at St. Xavier School, Khulna. Dear students, you know that the whole world as well as Bangladesh are facing a very critical crisis right now due to the COVID-19, the pandemic COVID-19 named coronavirus. And this virus has grasped all over the world and Bangladesh. That's why our studies are lagging behind. So the government of Bangladesh has launched online class. Besides, our school authority has been taken decision to take online class. That's why I am here. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct a class for class 10 English first paper. Okay, the students, let's go to start our today's session. Welcome to online class arranged by St. Xavier School, Khulna. This is my identity. I have already given you. Okay, dear students. Do you know this person? Who is this great man? Do you know him? Yes, you are right. He is Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Why he is famous for? Do you know? Yes, you are right. He is famous for because he is father of the nation of our country. Exactly. He is famous for because he is the father of our nation. And anything else? Yes, because he had contributed a lot to free our country in 1971. And he was our great leader. And he is still our great leader. Dear students, you know that there are some people or some person in the world, they are very famous and they cannot die anymore. The man who cannot die, he is one of them. Like George Washington. Perhaps you have heard the name of Washington, George Washington. Yes, he was the great leader of America. He was the unanimous leader of America because he had also contributed a lot to free USA, United States of America. Similarly, perhaps you have also heard the name of Nelson Mandela. Yes, he was the apartheid leader of South Africa. Nelson Mandela was the apartheid leader and he was also the unanimous leader of South Africa because he was also had a great contribution to free his country. And these great persons are never die. Okay. They are alive still and they will be alive forever. Okay, dear students, similarly this is our father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. He was the great leader and he was the unanimous leader of Bangladesh because he is our father of the nation and he had a great contribution to free our country in 1971. This is father of the nation. This is father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman declared the independence of Bangladesh. Yes, he is also famous because he had declared the independence of Bangladesh in 1971. Dear students, who are they? What do you see in the picture? Yes, you are right. You are seeing in the picture there are some freedom fighters. They are cheering because they had contributed a lot. They had sacrificed their lives for the cause of our mother tongue, our beloved country. They are freedom fighters because they had laid down their most valuable life for the sake of our motherland. Okay? So they are freedom fighters. They are freedom fighters who had laid down their most valuable life for the cause of our beloved motherland. Okay, dear students, can you guess that what we are going to discuss in our today's session? Yes, you are right. Today we are going to discuss about Independence Day, our desired Independence Day. Look at the picture. Okay. What is this? This is our national memorial. Exactly. This is our national memorial. So our today's session is Independence Day. Learning outcome. After completing this unit, the students will be able to look at a picture and ask and answer questions, read a text and completed the graphs, describe about the Independence Day, answer the question. Okay? Next. Look at the picture again, dear students. What is this? Yes, this is National Memorial. This is our National Memorial. What can you see in the picture? This is our National Memorial. Where is it? Yes, you are right. It is at Shawar in Dhaka. Why was it built? Yes, it was made to remember our heroic son who had laid down or sacrificed their most valuable life for the cause of our beloved country. Exactly. Students, now we will learn some new vocabularies in this unit, from this unit. Listen. Do you know what is forward? Yes, you are right. Forward, that means a strong feelings of excitement. Forward, that means a strong feelings of excitement. Exactly, you are right. Allied, that is in a similar way. Allied, that means in a similar way. Spectator, that means a person who is watching an event. Spectator, that means a person who is watching an event. Displays, that means act of performing skill. Display, that means acts of performing skill. Illuminate, that means to decorate building with bright lights. Illuminate, that means to decorate building with bright lights. Mausoleum, that means tomb or crypt. Mausoleum, that means tomb or crypt. And this is homage. Homage, that means respect or reverence. Homage, that means respect or reverence. Okay? Okay, dear students, you can write these vocabularies or similar words in your notebooks. Okay, please write down these vocabularies or these similar words in your notebooks. Okay, dear students, now we will go to our next. The Independence Day. This is our text. Read about the Independence Day and answer the following question. This is our text. Now I will read out this text and you listen to me very carefully. Okay? 26 March, our Independence Day, is the biggest festival. 26 March, our Independence Day is the biggest festival. The day is celebrated every year in the country with great enthusiasm and fervor. It is a national holiday. All offices, educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on this day. All official educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on this day. The day begins with 31 gunshot. Early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister, on behalf of the nation, place floral wreaths at the National Mausoleum at Shabha. Then diplomats, political parties, social cultural organizations and freedom fighters pay homage to the martyrs. People from all walks of life also come here in rallies and procession. There are several cultural programs throughout the day highlighting the heroic struggle and sacrifice in 1971. The country also witnessed a smartly dressed parody of Defense Forces, Border Guards, Police, Ansar and VDP at the National Parade Ground near the National Parliament. In Bangabandhu Stadium, school children, scouts and Girl Guides take part in various displays to entertain thousands of spectators. The educational institutions also organized their individual programs. Sports meet tournaments are also organized on the day, including the exciting boat race in the Buriganga. In the evening, all major public buildings are illuminated with colorful lights. Bangla Academy, Bangladesh Shilpakala Academy and other socio-cultural organizations hold cultural functions. Similarly, similar functions are also organized in other places in the country. Okay, dear learners, I hope that you have understood this text and in your home you will read out this context again and again. Okay? Now, this is your individual work. I am asking the question, why is the National Mausoleum? Do you know, dear learners? Yes, you are right. The National Mausoleum is at Shabha in Dhaka. Exactly, you are right. Our National Mausoleum is at Shabha in Dhaka. When did happen the Freedom War? When did happen the Freedom War? At the very beginning or outset of my study of my class, I was told you that our father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, has declared the independence of Bangladesh and he had a great contribution to free our country in 1971. So, our freedom war, the freedom war was happened in 1971. What is our biggest state festival? Yes, you are right. Our biggest state festival is Independence Day. Okay, the students will go to next. This is your task one. I hope that you all are with your books and notebooks and pens. So, you can write down this class work in your notebooks fill in the blanks. Now you read the following sentences and fill in the gaps those following words. Okay, dear students, you have to fill up it. All major public buildings are dashed with colorful light. Yes, you are right. The answer will be decorated. All major public buildings are decorated with colorful lights. Early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister dash reads at the National Mausoleum at Shahbar. Yes, you are right. Place. The answer will be placed. Every in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister place reads. Full and barabar code. Place reads at the National Mausoleum at Shahbar. The day number 3. The day begins with 31 gunshot. The day begins with, yes, you are right, 31 gunshot. The educational institution will also arrange the individual program. You know that different kinds of function or programs are arranged in our school on the occasion of our Independence Day, Victory Day, International Mother Language Day. Okay, so different kinds of programs or function are arranged or held in the occasion of our Independence Day. Most of the people come there with rallies. Exactly, rallies. Most of the people come there with rallies and procession. Exactly, you are right. This is your group work. Since you are not in our school, so you are staying in your home, so you have to do this work individually. Okay? The students write answer to the following questions. Who are they? Who are the martyrs? Who are the martyrs? The martyrs are those persons who had laid down their most valuable life for the cause of our country. Exactly, you are right. The martyrs are those people who had sacrificed their lives for the cause of our beloved country. Exactly, they are martyrs. Where is situated National Mausoleum? The students, you know that the National Mausoleum or National Memorial are same thing. So the National Mausoleum is situated at Shahbar in Dhaka. Exactly, you are right. Why it was built? Yes, dear students, why it was built? It was built because of remembering our heroic song. Okay? It was built to recall our heroic son who had sacrificed their valuable life for the cause of our country. Why people do homage to the martyrs on this day? Yes, dear students, you are right. Why people do homage the martyrs on this day? People do homage because they sacrificed their life, valuable life, for the cause of our country, and they had freed our beloved country in the cause of their valuable lives. That's why people homage the martyrs on this day. Which paper to arrange the exciting boat race on this day? Yes, you are right, because you have read out in the text in your context. Which paper to arrange the exciting boat race? Buriganga. The Buriganga arranged the exciting boat race on this day, on the occasion of our Independence Day. Exactly, you are right. Okay, dear learners, you can answer this question. Which is our biggest state festival? This is your evaluation. Yes, you are right. Independence Day. Independence Day is the biggest state festival. Our biggest state festival is our Independence Day. Where is held the national parade? Where is held the national parade? National parade is held near our national parliament. What do the president and prime minister on this day? Yes, you are right. The president and the prime minister place floral wreaths on this day on behalf of the nation. The president and the prime minister place floral wreaths on behalf of the nation on this day. Exactly, you are right. Now we have reached the ending of the class. This is your home task. Dear learners, this is your home task. Write a short paragraph about our Independence Day. Write a short paragraph about our Independence Day. And thanks all. Okay, dear students, dear learners, dear viewers, thanks a lot for your active participation in my class. I hope that you will be very serious in your study, in your online class, and the situation is not good in our country, so you are not allowed to go outside without any emergency. Okay, dear students, stay home and be safe. Thank you very much. Thanks everybody.